Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been aka Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, we're going to talk about powerful price action strategies that will give you perfect entries. So let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit those like buttons, because over here, what I do, I help struggling traders get to the next level, because I understand that if you're watching these charts right now, it can be hard when you first start trading these markets. So I'm the guy that's going to help you out. So don't worry about it. I will help you get to the next level. Hit that subscribe button and hit those like buttons. Shout out to all my addicts out there, because you know I'm not the only one that's addicted to these markets. So now let's get to the content. Okay, so let's talk about the first powerful price action strategy. Okay, we're going to talk about breakouts. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to play breakouts the right way, because most people really don't understand breakouts. And I think, they just, every time price makes a new high, they just buy it or sell it. And that's not the right way to do it. So let me show you the best way to trade breakouts. Okay, so the best way to trade breakouts, guys, is in a trending market. You do not want to try to use breakouts if the market is not trending that much. You want the market to be trending. Right here we have a nice trend. I'm using the 20 moving average. Look how price is actually hugging this moving average. Now, the key to these breakouts, we want the breakout to be nice and tight. Okay, so if you look at this right here, look how tight this breakout is. Okay, look how nice and tight this breakout is. We want breakouts like that. We don't want the market to be sloppy. We want nice, tight breakouts. The reason why we want tight breakouts, right, is because think about it for a second. Okay, if the market wanted to go down, sellers will come in the market and sell the market. But the price is actually so strong to the upside, and they don't want to bring price down. They just want to hold the price, okay, to actually make that next move up. So price right now, when it's consolidating right here, is so strong that they don't want to waste no time. They want to consolidate a little bit, add to their positions, and then break out to go higher. So you have to understand why this is very powerful, because there's a lot of buying going on and nobody wants to sell. So let me show you guys some more examples. Okay, here's another nice trending market. Okay, we have the market going up, and I want you guys to look at these tight breakouts, okay, that's going on these charts. So let me show you guys right here, another tight breakout right here, all right, on these charts. And this is the 20 moving average. It's hugging this moving average right here. Okay, another tight breakout right here, right? We don't want the breakout to be wide. We want the breakout to be nice and slim, nice and tight, because we know that whoever's pushing up the market, they don't want to sell it. They want to continue to push up the market, continue to buy this market, because it's a lot of demand behind it. So you want to buy these breakouts as soon as price breaks above this high right here, and you look for your profits. Let me show you guys some more examples. Okay, so this example, if you zoom out right here, okay, let me back up. We zoom out right here. I want you guys to notice when we break out, have a nice little, big breakout like this. You see how we have a nice big breakout right here out of this nice triangle right here. A lot of times, even if you don't catch this breakout, they will give you another breakout. And if you notice, we have a nice tight breakout right here, because smart money does not want to bring the market down. They want to hold price because there's a lot of demand. Okay, the market pushed up, continue to go up, and you see the market just kept going. So that is what we're looking for, guys. When we're looking for breakouts, we're looking for the market to push up, hold that move to the upside, nice little tight consolidation, we're looking to take that nice breakout out of that consolidation to look for some more upside. All right, so that's breakouts. So let's go to the next powerful price action strategy, okay? And that is anticipating breakouts. So let's go. Okay, so this is more for triangle breakouts, okay? So right here, let me draw this on the chart first. So what we're looking for is a nice triangle breakout. So we're looking for the market to form this nice triangle right here. Now, that third touch right here, so if you look at the market right here, you can tell that it's about to form a triangle, right? And your job as a trader is to anticipate this breakout. So before it makes this move to the downside right here, you're looking at this and you're saying to yourself, okay, this looks like a triangle. We're going to get in right here and we're going to try to play that breakout to the downside. So what do we have here, guys? We have, all right, let me erase this. Okay, so what do we have here, guys? Look at this. So we have this nice triangle break. First of all, the trend is down. So we are making lower lows and lower highs. And we do have this nice trend line. So we have this first touch right here, the second touch. Now, when you get to that third touch right here, you can't just look at the market and say, oh, you know, we might find resistance right here. No, you have to be 10 steps ahead of everybody else. You got to say, all right, you know what? This looks like a triangle. Okay. So if I do take a short right here, I don't want to just, you know, take a short right here and take my profits right there. No, I actually want to anticipate the breakout because we can actually get in when price breaks out, but you know, we can actually make more if we anticipate the breakout and get in at the top. And as soon as price breaks out, you can enjoy all this profit right here. Okay. So we want to get in as soon as price makes that third touch on that nice triangle. Okay. We want to get in and we want to anticipate that breakout. So let me show you guys another example. Okay. This is gold. So price is actually starting to trend down right here. We have a nice trend line going on right here, right? And you can start to see that we are making lower lows, lower highs, and this bottom right here is starting to base out right here. And if you're looking at this in real time, you have to train your brain to realize, wow, this looks like a triangle. It looks like a breakout. When it hits this trend line right here, you just don't want to say, all right, I'm going to take this short and probably get out around here or whatever the case is. No, you're saying, oh, wow, this is like a breakout. I'm going to play this breakout, right? So you're getting right here, right? When it breaks this low right here, you're looking for, you know, major profits. And these moves, when you get them and they go your way, you can make a lot of money. So let's go to another example. Okay, so we have the market shooting down. Let's draw our trend line right here. Okay, and let's draw the bottom. And you can tell this is a triangle. And we have a touch right here, a touch right here, and then we're looking to get in right here. And we're looking to get in right here, not get out at the bottom. We want to get out when the market starts to break down. So that's another example of looking at the market and understanding that this is not a regular trade. This is a breakout trade, and we want to capitalize on this breakout. So let me show you guys one more example. Okay, so now this is kind of ugly. Okay, this is an ugly one, but it is what it is. Price action sometimes is not pretty. So we have the market forming a nice triangle. You can tell, nice triangle. We have a nice demand area right here, so you can get in right here, right? And if you get in right here, and I'm looking at this right here, I'm going to try to hold for this breakout, and we had a nice breakout to the upside. All right, so that is anticipating breakouts using triangles, right? So let's go to the next price action strategy. This one, we're going to talk about using pullbacks to get in the market. Now, when it comes to pullback trading, you can use a lot of different strategies to get in the market, okay? The strategy that I use every single day when I day trade, I use supply and demand. And if you don't know what supply and demand is, just go to my channel, and I have a lot of videos explaining supply and demand. But what you're looking for is aggressive buying and aggressive selling. And the reason why you want to look for that is because once you see aggressive buying or aggressive selling, you know that smart money is in the market, because it takes a lot of money to push up the market. So we want to follow smart money, because if smart money is pushing up the market, it's a strong possibility that the market can actually continue to go up, or vice versa. If it's going down, it actually can continue to go down. So right now we have a nice little push right here, okay, and we have a nice little demand area right here. So if I was trading this market right here, I will look at this area and I'm look for a price to come back to this demand zone, and I'm looking for a nice little trade. And notice how price came right back to this demand zone right here. And also we have a nice, push. We can tell that this is not, retailers right here. We don't have the money to push up the market like this. All right. So we want to follow smart money. Smart money came right back to the zone, and you got it in the trade, and you're looking for your profits. Okay. This is what I'm doing every single day. And I actually created an indicator to help you spot these supply and demand zones. So let me actually turn on this indicator right here. And notice how this indicator is spotting this demand zone. And I actually made this indicator from scratch, because the way I trade supply and demand is different from, a lot of other people, because I day trade supply and demand, and I needed to work a certain way. So we have this demand right here, and notice how we have D labeled for demand, and this indicator can actually spot demand and supply. Right now we only dealing with demand, so I only have demand on. But if the market starts to go down, I can actually turn on supply, and the indicator will show you supply also. Okay, so you can turn it on, turn it off. You can actually change the color of the candles and much more. So if you want to get this indicator, it actually comes free when you get my trading program, and that link is actually below this video if you want to get this indicator. But overall, that's what I'm looking for when it comes to supply and demand, and I'm looking for a price to come back to these demand areas right here, and I'm looking for a trade. So let me show you guys another example. Okay, so this is gold right here, right? We have a nice push to the upside. Okay, we're looking for a price to come back to these demand areas right here, and we're looking for a trade. Remember, this push right here, we can't do that. We don't have enough money to push up the market. So we want to follow the guys that have that money, okay? And we want to follow the money. That's it. It's just that simple. And I try to keep things as simple as possible when I trade, because I don't want, to be confused. Right now we have a nice demand area. It came back to it, and nice little trade. So that's what I love to do. I love to keep things as simple as possible. All right, actually, let me turn on the indicator. Let's see what the indicator is doing. We have a nice little push. You can tell, push to the right here. So it created a nice demand right here. A lovely trade to the upside. We definitely have that demand area right here. Okay, so it shows you the area where, it created this demand, right? And once you get the training program, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a demand, right? So we have a demand area right here. We also have another area right here. Okay, price reacted to this area right here, and so on. Again, another area right here. And I love these supply and demand areas because I can follow smart money. Okay, so that's pullback trading. Again, you're looking for supply and demand. You're looking for a price to go to those areas, and it's vice versa if the market is going down. I don't have no down examples today, but I'll show you guys another day. But overall, it's the same thing if the market is going down. So guys, this is the end of this video. But before we go, I want to show you guys one more thing. A lot of you guys, when it comes to price action, or when it comes to trading these markets, you chase price. And I don't want you guys to chase price. So when price gets far away, you see this moving average right here? A lot of new traders, they buy at the top right here. Price is far away from the moving average, okay? This is why I love pullback strategies, because if you buy right here at the top and price is actually far away from this indicator, it's a possibility that it can snap right back. You have to understand how the market moves. The market moves in waves. So let me show you real quick. So if you're buying, okay, at the top, so if the market is moving like this in waves right here, and you're buying right here at the top, guess what? Right? It's a strong possibility the market could pull back on you and stop you out. So that's why I love getting in these pullbacks right here, okay, and enjoy this nice up move right here, okay. So be careful chasing moves. Let me show you guys another example right here. Okay, see the market is down right here, guys. The market is down right here. So look how far price is actually away from the moving average. Okay, it's far. So look out, we have a nice little gap right here. Okay, this moving average. So a lot of new traders, they would see a lot of selling and say, wow, I gotta get in right now. And they would chase price and they get in right here. And guess what? Price will reverse and stop those guys out because they are chasing price. You don't want to chase price, okay? You want to understand what price is doing and go from there. That's why I love trading pullbacks, because I can actually get a decent risk reward, and plus I don't chase price. Okay, guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join my free Telegram group. Also, my training program. If you want that free indicator, that supply and demand indicator, get my training program. That's actually below. That training program will help you guys out and will help you become a full-time trader. Also, watch more of my videos. I have a lot of videos on my channel. Share this video. Comment below, because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Again, thanks a lot for watching my videos, and please have a great day.